Space is hostile, but life finds a way. For the space harvest ideathon, a fundamental question: which plant has the highest probability of survival in outer space? Long-term colonization requires ultimate resilience. After looking at a massive amount of scientific research, the answer became clear. The team chose the sweet potato, or Ipomoea batatas in the scientific name. Why? First, biologically, it is a highly viable farming. It produces high-energy carbohydrates and edible leaves with minimal waste. Second, operationally, the crop grows underground, shielding it from radiation. The upper vine grows fresh green. And third, the most important reason, genetically, it is a polyploid. This means it has multiple sets of chromosomes, and it has a massive advantage in resisting mutation.
The cuttings will be stored in sterile, temperature-controlled containers with cushions to protect it during launch. We will also be packing up backup seeds just in case. We plan to grow the sweet potatoes using hydroponics, which saves over 90% more water than traditional farming and does not require soil. On the journey, we will pack them in hydroponic racks, while on the Moon and Mars, we will use a dedicated growth module. The module itself will be powered by a NASA-designed kilopower nuclear generator, which can generate 10 kilowatts of energy for 10 years. The module will be pressurized to around 75 kilopascals, and the nutrient solution will be kept to a warm 24 degrees Celsius. Carbon dioxide will be harvested from the Martian atmosphere into the module, while on the Moon, carbon dioxide will be taken from the astronauts' exhaled air. Water is scarce, so we have to conserve it by taking water vapor from the plant and then recycling it, allowing us to recycle over 98% of the water. Air circulation and ethylene filters also allow us to prevent fungal rot and also keep the plants healthy. Finally, we will study each harvest to create better suited varieties of sweet potatoes for our space environment.
To win the space harvest, we have to prove to you that this works on the very long term. We calculated the survival rate over a 100-year period. By placing our polyploid potato plant inside our dome, we start with an initial survival rate of just 5%. However, because its genome actively modifies its cell walls and manages stress, that probability increases exponentially over the decades, especially during the year 35 mark as seen on the graph. Finally, it would be truly realistic to have some diversity in the ecosystem, and this proves our model might just be an achievable dream after all.
Thank you for listening, and let's plan the future.